Looks like you take this shirt. I feel like I look so dumb. Okay. Yeah, she starts with it here.
I found another hack I want us to try.
No.
There's no cutting this time. There's no cutting.
Oh, well then yes.
Okay, I'm gonna play it for us.
I've seen this woman.
I am obsessed with her. It's Rich Mom.
I love Chriselle Lim. So it's turning a shirt into a skirt.
Oh my god, that looks really good.
This is something you could, if you desperately needed a skirt at the last minute, you could potentially put it together and go.
Irene is always finding herself in these desperate last-minute situations.
Listen, my life is a series of last-minute situations. I don't know what to tell you, so that's what's on my mind.
I have a confession to make about this. I have actually done this before. I just
To like work?
not to work. To dinner. You know, I was in a situation where it was really hot and I had pants and I didn't like have a chance to go home and change.
Okay, see, so these situations do happen.
And I did this and it worked and it was cute and it was really comfortable. So I feel very positive about this.
I am kind of confused with all the little tucking and how it stays together.
Yeah, I think the success is all gonna depend on the shirt that you start with.
Yeah, but I feel like it's made an outfit and that's the only way I would wear it. Like she used a jacket, she accessorized it really well. So I feel like I would have to do that to wear it out.
This has to be styled. Ooh, so we get to put together a final look for this one.
Fashion show!
I feel like we all have a really good shot of coming out of this with a cute outfit.
Fingers crossed. Okay, so we're obviously in my closet. I already have like a number one shirt in mind and it's this one right here, but I just want to see what my options are. So let's look.
I am now in my dad's closet because I'm gonna steal one of his shirts.
Welcome to my closet, my temporary closet. I'm currently at a beach house. I really only have one option for this challenge, so it better work.
There is my number one. This is what it looks like. It's just like an old man's shirt. We have a more orangey version, still a plaid. It looks not as long as my first option, and I feel like the one thing I'm scared about is this being too short.
Even though it's my only choice, I'm pretty happy with it because it's a men's shirt that I thrifted, so it's very like sturdy in fabric.
Initially, I wanted to do white because Chriselle's came out so good, but now I'm realizing my dad actually has this pink and white striped shirt, which actually looks fun. Who hangs hooks backwards? Oh my. This closet's also not very wide, so this is a struggle. But this looks fun.
I'm gonna go with my gut, go with my first choice, which is this red plaid. I feel like it's thick enough, it's long enough, and because it's a little bit bigger, I think the sleeves will be easy to tuck.
I just realized I can't start the hack because I forgot to clean my room and it's really bad. I hate cleaning.
Okay, maybe you are an earth sign.
I have a feeling I'm gonna be watching this video a lot as I do it because it happens so fast. Looks like you take this shirt and she like, I feel like I look so dumb. Okay. Yeah, she starts with it here.
So we have 1, 2, 3. Does she button it all the way down? No, it just looks like she just buttoned this one top button.
All right, I have my shirt that I stole from my dad. I button with this top one. I'm gonna be squeezed into this, so I'm gonna go with this. This is even. Okay, I'm gonna go with this section, this row of buttons so that I can breathe. And then I think I'll use a belt if I have to keep it up. Oh, actually, I think this stays up. Stays up.
I feel like this part is crucial because there's so much like extra fabric right here. I think if I don't fold it right, it's gonna be very lumpy and not look cute. How are the arms that long on her shirt? What?
So I have to turn this way, fold, this gets tucked up. Oh no, I'm already doing things crazy. And I think she tucked this shirt sleeve into here. I don't know where this shirt begins and ends right now. I have no idea what's happening. How did she get the other side to not show up? Oh god.
Wrap the arms around my waist. This is, oh, what do you do if this doesn't go around your whole waist though?
How am I supposed to wrap and tie that?
I don't know how she did it. Maybe it's just like hers is a better fabric or something. This is like a little lumpy and a little full. Like this looks like I just tied a shirt around my waist. It doesn't look like I'm wearing a skirt at all.
Know that. Okay, I've actually done this before. Like I truly in real life have worn a shirt as a skirt. And I feel like when I did that, I started pretty differently. And I want to see if I just do that, what's gonna happen.
We got our new shirt, the surprise shirt. Business on the outside, wood cutting on the inside. These steps just are not making sense to me. Like it starts off very easy, but then it all moves so fast with no like directions on screen to kind of walk you through it. Maybe I'm just old and stupid, I don't know.
I'm gonna go middle school on this. We're gonna use hair ties. The only time it looks like a skirt is if I stick my leg out of the slit like this. Imagine me just walking into work like...
I do feel like there's a way to make this at least somewhat passable for a few pictures, but if you ever see me in the streets looking like this, I give you full permission to make fun of me.
Let's play this, I wanna see.
It's not that bad so far. Okay, that looks like a skirt.
That's so cute. No.
It's going so fast. This looks really good. Everyone looks good. It's mine is so bunchy. It's the back that betrays us, to be honest.
It's the back, I agree.
And mine is a little chunky up here because I could not get these sleeves to cooperate.
Yeah, I had to tie mine with hair ties. How did you do this last time, Kyle?
I have no idea. I remember the shirt that I used was really thin and it was a guy shirt, so it was bigger.
This was such a trick because it seems like it's gonna be so simple and it's really not.
Like we all look like fools.
I thought you guys were way more photo passable than me, especially because Irene with the jacket, like you and the belt, like I felt like it was faking it enough.
Yeah, I think the key to this is like you literally have to hide as much of it as possible. So at that point, it's like not worth doing.
I'm not gonna walk around just like, I just think the fabric is like, you have to have it to be the thin fabric and extra large with like, if made for extra long arms or something.
Not even, because I feel like the bigger you get, the longer arm span you're gonna get, but then you get the more side fabric.
So I feel like it's a consensus that we would not do this again.
Yeah.
Thumbs down. Thumbs down across the board.
Oh my god, turkeys!
What?
You've never seen turkeys?
No!
Are you serious? Oh my god, girl. Deer are probably more prevalent, but turkeys? Yeah, I've seen turkeys.
I hate turkeys.